Hello, hello. We are live now. If you all can hear us, okay, please post in the live chat so that we know that our setup is all good.
Please confirm if you can hear my voice good as well.
So that we know. Perfect. People can hear us, okay? I think we can get started. Shubh, Pavan, Ketwan, Selet, Prakash, Bharat, Romit, all of you, thanks for joining the live call. And we are excited to announce a new initiative to help all of you who are preparing for data science, data analytics career. Today is a special day. We all know it, September 5. It's celebrated as a Teachers' Day. So first of all, happy Teachers' Day, all of you. Teachers hold a special importance in our heart. So it's not just like school or college or career. They help us build a good life, and they help us become a good human being. So as a tribute to all the teachers, we have announced Codebasics. We have announced 5th September as a Codebasics Day. So every year we will be doing special events. And the events already started a few years back. You might have seen the video on a teacher who doesn't want to retire and the interview with Google's Cloud AI Industry Solutions Head India. And this is the third event. And we are announcing an initiative for all of you. So far, I have been receiving a lot of feedback and a lot of questions from people who are preparing for data analytics career or a data science career. And the common complaint that they have is, okay, I'm applying for a job and I'm not getting an interview call. Now, there are a lot of reasons why you're not getting an interview call. But one of the top reasons is your resume project portfolio. People do not have good projects on their resume, and that can become a big block in terms of why you're not getting interview call. Okay. So then people say, okay, but we have project portfolio. To practice data science and data analytics, usually people get this data sets from Kaggle or some other website, and they build some projects, but those projects are not good enough. Because think about it, you're having Titanic data set in your resume, but that's not a real business problem, right? Of course, you are practicing machine learning and all of that, but it's not a real business problem. So we are trying to address that issue by this new initiative. And Hemanand he's here. Hemanand, you all know, he has done a couple of projects on our YouTube series. We launched an amazing Power BI course on codebasics.io, and he joined codebasics.io as a co-founder recently. So Hemanand, now I will give it to you and you can talk further about what this new initiative is.
Okay, let me share my screen for that.
I'm not
Yeah, I'm going to share my screen. You should be seeing it in a while.
Okay.
Yeah, do you see it?
Yep.
Yeah. Can people confirm if they can see the screen? Sorry, very typical question.
I can see your screen, so I think it looks good.
So folks, so yes, resume projects, right? So resume projects are the cornerstone, can become the cornerstone for you to get the job, right? When you're applying for a job, and normally the projects that you work on is not related to the business. So we at Codebasics have taken this initiative to bring you the resume projects. So every month going on, you will have a new project. You just have to Codebasics. You just have to go to codebasics.io, this web page.
So Hemanand, I think so resume projects, that link is because I think our our
Mhm.
space is coming on top of that. So let me see if I can move our face.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. So in the screen, can you maybe minimize and move the screen on the left? Because on the top right, we are seeing our face. So maybe that link is probably not visible to all the people.
No worries. Done. It's better?
Yes, now it's better.
Okay. So if you go to codebasics.io website, you would find this link called resume projects. So once you click on it, it's live right now. You can try it along with me. You would find a resume project challenge. So the idea of this is you get a real-time data set to practice. So when I say real-time data set, this is a data set not taken out from Kaggle or something like that. This is a data set that we created by discussing with industry experts. We curated this data set so that it matches with the real-time scenario. So you get a real-time data set, and it's not just you're going to practice, you're also going to compete, and you have a chance to win an attractive prize from Codebasics. So you will compete among other learners, and by end of the month, before end of the month, you would submit your projects. And once you submit, we will review it and we will announce the prizes. And this project can directly go to your resume. So I would explain some of the guidelines that we have placed for this project. So you can use any tool for this project. It can be Power BI, it can be Tableau, you can even do it in Excel. You can use a combination of multiple tools to achieve the final results. And you are free to do search anywhere or talk to any experts. So the idea of this project is to help you learn, and so you can talk to anybody for that case. And your submission will be evaluated based on certain criteria, right? So first of all, we will give you a problem statement. So there is a problem statement, which I will go through in a second. So your solution, the relevance of your solution to the problem statement, that's very important. And dashboarding. So you can use this 15 design principles. You can click this link and it will take you to a video which we have made. And that you need to apply those design principles. And it's not just, like we have given you some mock-up dashboard, we have given you some instructions on how to create this. Apart from this, you need to add your own insights. You need to do some research on the problem. You need to do some research on the business and add your own insights. That's where your learning part comes. Okay. And finally, very important, you need to summarize by using just 3 points what you have learned on the domain and the data analytics. And you need to put it in 3 points. That also goes into your evaluation criteria. And there are 2 ways to submit your output. You can post it on LinkedIn and with a clear screen recording, or you can create a public web URL for your dashboard and you can publish it on LinkedIn. And along with the 3 things you have learned, you can tag us there, and you need to use a hashtag, which we will add in the website, which hashtag you need to use. And you can see an example post here by clicking this link. Otherwise, for people who are not able to use LinkedIn, you can directly submit here on the website. There is an option here to submit on the website directly. But I would recommend to use LinkedIn so that you will get our direct review on LinkedIn, and it also promotes your profile. So your profile will be seen by people who are hiring for a job. So I would always recommend to use LinkedIn for that case.
And folks, these data sets, by the way, these are not like something we have copied from internet. So we have this other venture called Atlic, which is a software and data analytics company. We work with a lot of clients. We also have our own network of people who are working in the industry. So we have good connections in various industries, and using those connections, using our own experience working on real client projects, we have built some tools and some methodologies to build these data sets. So when you look at this hospitality data set, when you download it, it will be like a real data set. Okay, this is not some toy data set you're downloading from some random website. We are doing our due diligence. We are working hard. Hemant did a lot of hard work in generating this database. Okay. And it has some seasonality concepts, some real-time factors associated, kind of integrated into this data set. So when you work on these projects, you will get a feeling as if you're working in a company and you are solving a real life problem. Hospitality industry, for example, it's real, right? Oyo rooms here in US, there is Expedia, Airbnb. It's a big market. And when you work on this project, and if you have that project on your resume, you can potentially get a job in Oyo rooms or Expedia, those kind of companies. So it will help you not only learn data analytics, but a lot of industry specific nuances as well. You will probably build a good domain knowledge. Okay. And as Hemanan suggested, so download this data set. The task is given to you. So this is our challenge number 1. And by the way, so we are going to have these kind of challenges in the future. So our second challenge will be in the first week of October. So if you want to get notified about the new challenges that we are posting, what you can do is you can go to codebasics.io and you can log in and create an account on the website. That is one way. The other way is go to Codebasics YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel and hit notification icon. That way, whenever we do YouTube community post or when I publish a video on a new challenge, you get notified. We will be publishing, I think by the end of the year, we'll have at least, Hemanan, how many challenges we'll have? Like 4 or 5, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So by end of the year, we'll have 4 to 5 different challenges on our portal. All right.
Yes. Yes. Another interesting thing is you might have some questions, right? You must have some general queries about the challenge, anything. You can connect with us, connect with our team in the Discord channel. We are happy to help you out. You can click this link. It will take you to the Discord server. And there is a particular channel that we created especially for the resume projects.
Can you click on it, Hemanan, and just show to the people?
Yes.
So if you're not part of our Discord server, it will show you an invitation. So let's say you give your name, for example. The people who are already on the server, they will be directly taken to the server. But let's say you are new. So you go there, you go to our Discord server, whatever, you have to do the setup, and then you will be given that chat. So if you have any questions, anything, you can do that. On our Discord server, there is partner and group finder. So let's say if you want to do this project in a group, feel free. Okay. Make some friends, do the projects. These projects will be very helpful in your job search process, folks. Okay. So make sure you work with a diligence. You spend a good effort in building these projects. Now, if you don't know, let's say Power BI, you want to learn it, there are multiple ways. So you can go to YouTube, search for Codebasics Sales Insight. We have done one project. It's a free series, okay? You can learn there and then you can work on a challenge. The other way is, let's say if you are ready to spend, let's say 2,400 rupees or $40 outside India, you can take our course on codebasics.io. That course is a real life scenario mimicking course, okay? It's a very different course compared to other courses that you find on other platforms. So take that course, learn things, and after you learn those things, work on these projects. So let's say you have 4 or 5 such projects on your resume. There's a high chance you will get a job or you will get at least an interview call, right? We don't use this term such as job guarantee, but at least it will increase the probability of you getting an interview call.
Yes. One more thing I would like to address is it's not just about having this project on your resume. I think you can have a lot of projects on your resume. That's very easy. But when you go to the interview, it's about how you explain on the project. When people ask you questions like, what did you do in the project? It's not like you simply say that I loaded like 2 tables and I transformed these 2 tables. You would actually say that I was solving a problem for a revenue department in the hospitality domain. How did you solve the problem? I was trying to improve their occupancy percentage. How did you try to improve the occupancy percentage? By trying to understand their occupancy over weeks. And I found the hotels in which they have low occupancy. And how did you find it? All of that is in this project. So the problem statement, the task is designed in such a way that you would have to meet all these challenges. There is no other way that you can solve this problem. You will meet these challenges and you will solve the problem. And we have given you enough input. We have given you a metric list, the list of metrics. We have given you a mock dashboard. We created a mock dashboard, a rough mock dashboard, and you just have to try to create something similar to that. And we created you all the input tables, all the dimension tables, fact tables, all of that. We have given you all of that. You can click download, and you can see it yourself. And yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to your submissions. And let us know how do you like this initiative. And we are happy to get this moving forward.
Oh, someone is asking about the discount code for Power BI course on a Teacher's Day. So, folks, we want to be clear here. We want to just tell you our core values. Our core values is not to give discount. We don't believe in giving things for free. I mean, if you want to consume things for free, I have more than 500 videos on YouTube. Okay, people have got a job by watching those videos, so that is there. This Power BI course is a very premium, super quality course. Normally in US, for this kind of course, they charge $500. So the course, which is around 40,000 rupees value, we are giving it for 2,400 rupees. It is extremely discounted at a level that one can't imagine. But let's say, even if some person has a problem, and let's say 2,400 rupees is even more, we have scholarship. All right. So folks, on the scholarship, you don't want to get things for free. You want to have high self-esteem and earn the scholarship. And how do you earn the scholarship? Go to YouTube, search for Codebasics scholarship. You will find my video. We have given you a very simple assignment. Simple, okay? It's not very hard. If you spend some time, you will be able to do it. And whoever has done the assignment, we have given scholarship to all of them.
Yeah, 50%.
50%. So Pawan, if you want to get 50% off on our Power BI course, it's a scholarship. We don't give discount for free. This whole mentality of free actually corrupts our character. Okay. There are many people who are poor, but then they will earn it. So I would suggest, rather than getting this free Teacher Day discount, 15 August discount, this discount, that discount, it's a huge marketing sales gimmick that's going on across the industry. We don't do it because our core values are different. You can earn it with your hard work and effort. Okay. So search for Codebasics scholarship on YouTube, watch the video. The assignment we have given you is not hard at all. It's very simple. And send me a message on LinkedIn, and we will definitely, whoever works on that assignment, they all get 50% price reduction on our Power BI course. That course, folks, me and Hemanan, we spent 6 months. Okay. You look at some free videos in that course, you will realize the quality of the course is top notch. Okay. So it's like, if you have to buy iPhone, of course you have to pay some money. You can't get it for free. So I wish you all the best. In about 10 minutes, we are having a live fun data quiz, folks. So please join us again on the live fun data quiz. Again, in the YouTube, if you go to Codebasics, you search for Codebasics, there is a live fun data quiz link. So join that. Pawan, yeah. So Pawan is saying scholarship is ended. No, Pawan. So yeah, that's probably my bad. Folks, our scholarships are still open. Power BI course scholarships are still open. Maybe, sorry, I did not maybe clarify that initially, but those scholarships are still open. You can still earn it. Go try it out. And I wish you all the best. Yes, so in the 10 minutes, we'll see you in the live fun data quiz.
Fun data quiz. Yeah, excited for that. See you there.
Yes, all you need is your cell phone. And by the way, we would have given the, I think our QR code should be up, right?
It should be live in 2 minutes.
So in the 2 minutes, we'll have the live. Okay, let me post you. So in this chat, I'm going to post the link. So in this post, I'm posting a link. So in the live chat, see a post of our quiz, live fun data quiz, and I will see you in about 10 minutes. All you need to attend that quiz is only your phone. There will be a QR code. QR code, the thumbnail of this particular video, which I sent a link in live chat, will be updated with the QR code. When we also start the quiz, we'll show the quiz QR code. You will use your phone, and when you use that phone, the quiz will be visible, and we'll go over that quiz. It's gonna be super fun, folks. Okay, so I'll see you in 10 minutes. Just be ready, drink some water, be ready for the fun.
See you. See you all.